Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematical Lens by Namita. In this video, we are going to continue with chapter number 1, We the Travelers, part 1 of grade 5 mathematics of the new NCERT textbook MathMela. And we are going to find large numbers around us. So, we saw that the distance in kilometers covered by different means of transport in an hour. It can range from 1 digit to 5 digit. This is what we saw in the last previous video, right? So, similarly, can we find out the other context around us that contains large number in this range, same like 1 digit till 5 digit. So let us consider some situations which are given over here. So a book has around 200 pages, right? If you check your own maths textbook, it has around 186 or 187 pages. So around 200, like round figure. And each page has about 50 words. So therefore, there are about 10,000 words in all in your maths textbook. So like 200 multiplied by 50. So how do we multiply it? 200 means 2 5s are 10 and put these 3 zeros. So you get 10,000 words in all. Now find something in the textbook whose count is a 4 digit number in your own textbook. So maybe number of sentences. Because we saw words are more. Words are less per page. So maybe number of sentences in the whole book. Maybe it may be in 4 digit number. It may be in thousands. So now let us try this same thing with our school. Our school has dash classroom. Now this answer may vary from school to school. I'm giving you some examples, but you can write your own examples. So suppose our school has 40 classrooms. Okay, you can write your own number here. Then there are dash students in my class. So maybe each class has around 40. You can write 50, 60, depending upon 30. Some schools have less number of students in a class. I've written 40 here. So our classroom has dash books in total. So suppose there are 40 students in my class. Each one is carrying 5 notebooks. Sorry, 5 books. So 5 into 40. 5 for each, and there are such 40 students. So 5 fours are 20. So around 200 books are there in the class. Right here we are just talking about the books. If you consider notebooks, then the answer may change. All answers will vary here because depending upon how many students are there in your class and how many books daily they carry. Now, find something in the classroom whose count is a 4 digit number, right? So now you saw that we can take any random number. Suppose there are 200 pages in one notebook. 200 pages in one book, like if we consider maths book. And if we consider there are 40 words in one page, 40 words. So now if we multiply this 200 into 40, so what do you get? 2 fours are 8 and 3 zeros, so 8,000. So there will be total 8,000 words in everyone's book together if we consider math book. Right, so we have taken one 4 digit number example. Now we want a 5 digit number example. So here what you can do, simply you can multiply this. There are 800 words in each book. So this 800 we multiply by 2 books. Now we are supposed considering both maths and science. This year we considered only maths. So 8 2s are 16. So it becomes a 5 digit number. So there are 16,000 words in both the books, maths and science. So it is not necessary that whatever example I have taken, you can think of your own examples and get your answer. Here again, the answer will vary from person to person, from book to book. And I have taken round figures. You can actually see the page numbers are given in your books. So you can actually count them and multiply with the number of students in your class, right? So you will get an exact idea. But here the purpose is like to visualize 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, and in which different situations you can see these numbers. Now list some quantities whose count is a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number in the context of a tree, right? So now if in trees, what do we have? We have leaves, we have flowers, which are more like branches and all. If you consider, they will be little less. So you have to think of various things. So suppose we consider flowers. So flowers cannot be 5-digit. It may be in some of the trees, but leaves will surely be 5-digit number. So maybe you can say there are 15,000 leaves in a tree, okay, and around 1,000 flowers in a tree. So this is a 4-digit number, and again this is a 5-digit number. Here again the answer may vary depending upon the tree, the number of flowers or leaves it has, but then you can just get an estimated number. Now we have to take an example from the village, town, city, or any other place of your choice. So here suppose we consider village. So 4-digit number can be the number of houses. And 5-digit number can be the people living in it. So this part of the video covers finding large numbers around us. You can take examples of towns and cities. I have taken example of village, and you can take various things. You can also find out population of your own city. So you will get an idea of large numbers. We'll continue with this chapter in the next video. Thank you.